Once we've measured our grass supply and calculated our feed demand, we can plan feed allocation. But before we can accurately do this, there's an important factor we need to consider, and that's grass utilisation, which reflects the grass that will be consumed by the livestock as opposed to being rejected. This is estimated as a percentage of our available grass and can vary in different circumstances. These are the factors which affect grass utilisation. Grazing on time is the period in days or hours that livestock take to graze an area down to the desired residual. This table displays the correlation between on time and utilisation. The shorter the on time, the higher the utilisation. This is down to the higher grazing pressure, leading to less selective grazing. Short on time also provides a cleaner, more even residual, which will promote grass quality for the next grazing. Entering pastures at the correct pre-grazing cover heights helps to maximise utilisation. Entering higher covers will cause more trampling of feed, which can cause some rejection. Feed at the base of high covers is less desirable and therefore more likely to be rejected. Utilisation on deferred grazing or holistic grazing systems may be as low as 50%, but this underutilisation may be compensated by other benefits of the grazing policy. Another factor affecting utilisation is grass growth stage. Once the grass plant passes the 3-leaf stage and dead leaves accumulate, and when it goes into the inflorescence stage like this, there is more rejection and utilisation is low. Weather and ground condition has a significant impact on utilisation. Utilisation is high in dry conditions. Access to grass may be challenging when it's wet and the ground is soft. Under these conditions, stock may need to be moved on sooner than planned. Grass in these conditions isn't necessarily wasted, it's just not utilised at the time. When budgeting grass, we need to take all these factors into consideration and estimate an utilisation percentage to be applied on our available grass measurements. This will normally range between 70 and 90%. Join me for the next video where I'll be discussing grass rest period.